would really like to express my shock at the ridiculous mutterings of this individual called Kalidas Vaingankar. Now, with reference to my presence at the police station on the 31st of May, I would like to state that on that day, at about 5 o'clock, I was at Our Lady of Perpetual Succor Higher Secondary School for the inaugural function of its new infrastructure. And after the official function, as we were sitting around for refreshments, I was informed that many ladies of Sankwal had been arrested and were at the police station in Verna. Obviously, being a lady and being the MLA of Kortali constituency, I felt it was my moral duty to rush to the police station to find out more details about the matter and to help in whatever way possible. And so I went to the police station at about 6 o'clock in the evening. When I went to the police station, I met the ladies who looked very distressed, and they tried to tell me in their own way what happened. After that, I met, soon actually, I met the Deputy Police Superintendent, Srimati Sunita Savant, who informed me that arrests had already been done of individuals from both sides of the matter, and they were all now awaiting to be released on bail. We walked out of the police station after impressing upon the Deputy Superintendent of Police to ensure that a thorough investigation is done of the matter, and I also requested her to ensure that law and order situation is maintained in the village of Sankwal. Kalidas Vaingankar has accused me of having interest in the land in Sankwal because according to him, I want the marina. I am shocked that an individual who was one of the candidates for the Lok Sabha elections 2019 is not aware of what is happening within the state of Goa. Because had he been an alert person and a well-informed person, he would have known that I, Srimati Alina Saldana, along with the villagers of Sankwal, opposed the marina. After which the government paid heed to the public demand and withdrew the in principle IPB permission that was granted for the project. So the question of me wanting the marina does not arise at all. I wonder whether he is in his senses. Really, it makes me wonder whether he is in his senses. And that too, under the name of a banner like Ms. Goenka, speaking untruths is stooping to a very low level.